If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. QuickBooks Online Plus contains many standard reports you can run with a single click. To see the standard reports in QuickBooks Online, click the Reports link in the navigation bar. If needed, then click the Standard tab to the right to show the Standard Reports page. The Standard page contains links to all the standard reports in QuickBooks Online. Additionally, custom reports you create from the Standard Reports appear on the Custom Reports tab to the right, and the separate Management Reports appear on the Management Reports tab. On the Standard tab, you can scroll up and down the page to view the reports, which are grouped into collapsible and expandable report categories. To expand or collapse a report category, click its name. To run a report within a report category, click its name. To see a brief report description, hover over the name of the report until you see a question mark icon appear. Then click the question mark icon to show a description below the report name. To add a report into or remove a report from the Favorites report category, which appears at the top of the report categories in the Standard page, click the star icon to the right of the report name to toggle the favorite status on or off. To open the report and immediately customize it, click the triple dot icon and then select the Customize command in the menu that appears. Alternatively, to find a report by name, start typing its name into the Find Report by Name search field at the top of the page to show a drop-down listing of matching report titles. Then click the desired report name in this drop-down to immediately open it. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.